Here dear investors, investor profit book on first day gain basically based on IPO subscription percentage, where our subscription prediction has nearly, or it's truly, you can say we pass the predictions perfectly. So in that case, if you see Stockraft Limited IPO has Riddhi Wage Finance give subscription prediction slab 3% to 15%. Media confirm the prediction is nearly pass 18.30%. Haramba Industry is 35% to 80% subscription prediction slab given by Riddhi Wage Finance, and it has confirmed from media that it has been subscribed 83.3%, where MTAR Technology Limited is Riddhi Wage Finance given subscription prediction slab 200% to 250%, where media confirmed the prediction is exactly 200.79%, and our prediction is exactly nearly perfect by points only, where Anupam Rasayan India Limited we have given Riddhi Wage Finance gives a prediction slab, subscription prediction slab between 10% to 50%, and media confirms that prediction is nearly correct, where 45.21% investor has subscribed it. So we can say we are here pass. Lakshmi Organic Industry Limited, this has predictions, subscription prediction slab given 40% to 150%, and in that case media confirmed predictions is 106.18%. The investor subscribe it, we can say we are pass because we have given 150 around, but 100 is okay. Nazara Technology, yes, we have given subscription prediction slab 100% to 210%. Media confirm investor subscribe 175.46%, nearly pass. So in that case all these companies has been subscribed because of their advertising strategy, because of their management team presence, and because they are existing into the market for long term in a single segment. Here we are giving IPO by investors choice, we can say, because multiple IPO open nearly or within a week or within on the same date. So if you subscribe one IPO, will you go for another company IPO? You will compare and then you will decide based on their strategy of the company. That's the reason we have failed many times for our subscription prediction slab, like Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited is open on 18 Jan. Believe me, I guess Indigo Paint also open nearly of that, which capture the whole market. So we have given this prediction 35% to 205%, because Indian Railway Finance Corporation is working since long term base, but this is government IPO, so people do not expect listing in. That's the reason media confirm investor only subscribe 3.49%. Yes, we fail in case of Indigo Paints Limited because we are unable to recognize their strategy, what exactly they did it. We have given subscription prediction slab was 15% to 25%, and in that case it has been got 117% subscription confirmed from media. Where Home First Finance, we again underrated this company 5% to 10% subscription prediction slab, and it has got been media confirmed this media confirmed that subscription was 26.65%. And in case of Brookfield India Real Estate, we can see we have given this company 1.5% to 3.2% because this company have a biggest investment lot. Basically they have asked around a 1 lakh rupees investment rather than 14,000 or 15,000, and this is again real estate, so people have, our prediction is based on their lot size, and in that case the budget of real small investor can't afford it, hence for we have given this lot. Subscription slab is very less, and media confirmed this subscription happens 7.97%. Nureka Limited, we have given a subscription prediction slab 5% to 10%, which was underrated again by us, and media confirmed the subscription happened 39.90%, and we failed to in that case. Realty Corporation India Limited has we have given 65% to 160%, and slab of subscription prediction, and media confirmed that investor did subscription 42.39%. We are failed to give this correct subscription because IRFC IPO release and then the performance of IRFC share really demotivated to investor might be. That's the reason people do not take an interest or do not aggressively apply for this IPO. Easy Trip Planner Limited, we have given prediction a subscription prediction slab 20% to 80%. Media confirmed subscription 160.18%. Yes, we underrated this company. Craftsman Automation Private Limited, subscription prediction slab given by us is 40% to 120%, and media confirm it happened only 3.80%, and we failed. We have not underrated this company, and according to us it couldn't be happen because Craftsman Automation Limited, Kalyan Jewelers, Suryoday Small Finance and Nazara Technology has given nearby same or the same date release IPO, that is on 17th March 2021. That's the reason might be investor give first choice to Nazara Technology over all the other three. Kalyan Jewelers India Limited, we have given predictions subscription prediction slab 100% to 80%, but media confirm it subscribe only 2.64%. Suryoday Small Finance Bank, we have given subscription prediction slab between 100% to 250%, but media confirmed subscription happen only 2.37%. Yes, we failed to understand the reality of market in that case when many IPOs club together in a single or in between 10 working days or 10 days. So that's the reason we have given this subscription predictions lab and we failed to meet exact media confirm investors' choice. Hence, for this IPO, we fall under with the IPO by investors' choice, where investors can choose one IPO over all others. Yes, an investor should educate themselves too. Here we are introducing D for Demat account. Keep watch on IPO prediction analysis reports. So you will come to know what is exactly Vriddhi Wage Finance is giving to our investor, what strategy. Thank you by Vriddhi Wage Finance predictions. We will keep encouraging you where you should invest it and how you should invest it. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy Sunday, guys. Good day, good night, sweet dreams.